You guys remember the old resin room? Yeah. This is like a refrigerator in here. Came to make sure my jars weren't spilling over. So far, only one did. So glad I came in to check it. I'm gonna take this biggest one, the one that's most filled, excuse me, out and put it in. Well, I put it here because I don't usually go in that room anymore very much. So see, I got my jars yesterday. So now I'm gonna fill up one of my little ginger jars. Whew. Man, I had to hurry and break up all my boxes that were in here, put my trash out because it's snowing again, and I don't want to get snowed in with my trash bin not, out at the street. So I'm going to put my kimchi in there. Yeah, I'm hot now, doing all that running around. Yum. And just because I want to look cute, I'm going to put it in there and then put my top on. So in the real ones, there's an opening here, and then you take this part of the jar to put it in the water that goes around here. But since this isn't that, and I didn't know it was going to be plastic, I don't know what to do with this. I think I'm supposed to smash it down in there and smush it down because it's all supposed to be covered with water. Anywho, I look cute. Now I just need to find a nice place way over here towards the cold area to keep it. Come on, get in there. That's all my dehydrated food that I bought just in case we got snowed in for several weeks. There we go. I'll come and burp that every other day. Whew. And now I'm ready to rearrange this. Now that I rearranged my bedroom, I was thinking of putting my CDs down there on the bottom shelf of the black bookcase in the bedroom, and one or two of my favorite witchy books. Okay, that's, something to think about for another day. So now tomorrow I get to attack this. Oh, joy. I'm going to start by putting all my clay stuff there on that shelf first. Then, if I have any room left, I might need to pull that little bookcase out of the bathroom and set it in there. But we'll cross that bridge when we get to it. Right now, I'm just finally really happy. Oh, my bedroom is 90% in good order. I know where everything is. And in here, it's pretty much in good order. I know where everything is. And get this little mess cleaned up, and I'm going to be super duper happy. Yeah. And of course, I'd be a lot happier if I could find my Dremel. Oh, well. You guys go buy something for me to make for you so I could buy me another Dremel. I know it's hidden in this house someplace. Somewhere meant for me. I bet you guys don't even know that poem by E.E. Cummings, huh? Anywho, let me stop being silly. I'm going to go drink me some tea and finish watching the trial. I'm deciding what I want to go first on there so I can find it. Dremel, are you in there? Probably. Oh. Okay, I know. You know what? You just gotta fall. I may as well put something away since I'm in here. Get off, move. No, exactly. Wait, where's the number? Gotta face the number outwards, you know. These I already have memorized. Oh, other side, shit. Okay. These are my tiny beads. There. I feel good now. I did something today. Whew. Oh, this goes back. These are the go backs. Okay. My fabric goes up there. My flowers are lightweight. What happened? What'd I do? I don't know. It doesn't want to snap. Shit. Get over here. My flowers. What is this? Okay, move over. Okay, there. All right. Clay stuff, clay stuff, clay stuff, clay stuff. Let me move my boxes. May as well get this part over with. All right, there. That feels better. Little boy, stop being like magic, jumping everywhere. That's fabric sister gave me. What's in here? I don't know, but it doesn't feel like a Dremel, so. Move. Don't, hey, you better watch that tone, little kitty. Move. Okay. All right, let's just go ahead and knock this. See, just go ahead and get it done. And there's one less thing to worry about later. Ooh, beads. Okay, there. That feels better. Whew. Let me see if this will fit over here. Well, at least I know where my cookie cutters and shit are. Okay, good. Yeah, I'll come do the rest tomorrow. Get rid of shit. Here, let's put this up here. I'm sorry, Magic. I'll give you your landing pad back tomorrow. What was in there? Oh, the sealer machine is in there. I gotta take that out. Wax making stuff. 2 coffee machines. Grinders. Where's my other wax stuff? Oh, it's in the kitchen. Yeah, I'll pull that in there later. Okay, it's time for break. Move. Let's get some water. Whew, Father Divine. I need to vacuum the floor. Well, around the baseboards anyway. Oh boy, what a relief. Got a little teeny bit of that shit done. Got all them boxes out. Oh my God. I'm feeling good, y'all. Okay. That's enough work for the day. Time to turn the fan on and finish watching court.